Hey, this is Matt Reisinger with Reisinger Homes. Welcome to my video blog dedicated to building science and fine craftsmanship. We're just finishing this project with Nick Deaver Architect we've been working on for the past year, and I wanted to show you some of the really fine craftsmanship details on this house in particular. We've got some beautiful wood in this house. And as any great modern architect would do, there's some great raw materials as well. So if you look at this staircase, this is really what I wanted to focus on today. We've got this beautiful plate steel guardrail that goes up and folds as you enter the stairs on the back side. We've got two steel stringers in here with these beautiful solid oak treads. Of course, everything's got a great matte finish sealer, so there's not a lot of shine on this. And as you walk up the staircase, you'll see how that guardrail actually folds around, looks seemingly seamless. What a fun design. We really like working on this type of great architecture. But as you look at this, it's really hard to tell how this was all put together, especially this plate steel on the guardrail. I didn't take any video during construction, but I've got some great photos. So let me actually rewind time with photos, and I'm going to talk you through how we put this together. Nick Deaver, the architect on this project, didn't want to see the fastening system for this. So as you can see with this conventional framing, we had to hide some steel embeds inside the framing so that ultimately we could weld those. We met with both the engineer and Nick, that's Nick in the blue shirt in the foreground there, on site several times to work out some of the details, because this was a process that this really was sculpture, and so as a result we had to work out a few of those details on site. You can see here we're using some MDF panels to simulate what that would look like, so Nick and the clients could really get a feel for what these stairs were ultimately going to look like. The panels were big and they were heavy. We had to use an electric come-along to actually fabricate some of those and bring those into the house. Not an easy project to work with. And here's Carlo Neri, the artisan who worked on this project. I call him my special effects guy because, boy, he is good with wood and steel and motion. He's done a bunch of James Donzors for me. What a great guy. And, of course, the stairs turned out fabulous. Those thick oak treads, that raw steel that got finished. Here's a few of the finished photos from Casey Dunn, the pro photographer. Really fun project. Thank you for joining me, everybody. And if you've got a modern steel staircase, I highly recommend getting your architect and your contractor involved early to really get the details right. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.